In this video, I will show you how to get dividends on Trading 212. So if you want to get dividends on your Trading 212 app, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. So let's dive into the video. And first of all, we're going to the Pi tab, and here, basically the tab where you see all of your assets. And if you want to enable dividends, let's say on a Pi, I'm going to select this one. Then what you need to do is you need to scroll down all the way. And once you do that, you will find this section saying dividends. And in here, you can see all of the dividends that you have gained. And when you click on this, you see an option to auto reinvest. And this is the thing, because when you put this to on, you will automatically put your dividends back into your Pi or in your ETF. So if you turn this off, then automatically all of your dividends will be stored to your cash balance. And then from there, you can just allocate them by buying new stocks or new assets, for example. And that is basically what the difference is. So I have this to on, so I will automatically reinvest my dividends. So the question how to get dividends on Trading 212 is like this. You will always get dividends. It's just what you're going to do with your dividends. Are you going to reinvest them or put them to your cash? So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.